video, and I'm going to show you my cool little set. This is the Lego set I built with nothing except with random Legos. But a cool squad car and a beast, the Dumbo, the Dark Matter block up here. We got the Dark Matter monster, and we got the long-haired zombie. Also, we got the Island of Doom. Wow. Oh yeah. I also got these two Amiibos, but I never use them anymore. I just use them for collections. I also got these cool space rocks out of a set. This if you know what this is one of the, this was in Fortnite, floating up in the island area. Oh yeah, this is gone a few months ago. Oh, that's fun. No, that. Well, we don't need to do anything with it right now. Because, look, it's Carlin without his hood. This is Carlin with a gun. Wait, but oh! Oh! Oh, dang it. Go. And we also got a new part of the set. Why does it keep falling? But something else to show you guys. I made this back out of solid plywood. And yeah, in case any people try to break into the house or something, well, I'm gonna use the phone, and yeah, I'm gonna use this phone. I went to school last year in school. I don't care. That's good. I also got a cool function in this mask for scaring people away if they don't try to pass. It's really hard to get an item out of here. Hey look, we got a tire. That's part of my Lego car. What I'm going for is the diamonds. Come on. Coal? Oh, that's good. I've got this annoying phone. Ow. Also got this cool coloring mask. Oh. God dang it, I forgot he was dead. Ow! And also this story. Ah! My, They're not. Ow! Comment below right now if I should cut off one of my stuffy heads off. Okay. I'm giving you a choice. You can subscribe if someone dies. I'm just gonna cut his scarf off. And then you should cut his head off for that. If you don't reach up 2,000 subscribers in 2 months, he's dead. Yeah, that's trimmed from the back. Ow. Oh yeah, I forgot this thing. If you're wondering, I got a new operation. Newest game of Operation. It's just like the regular Operation, but let's go for Zapdos. Yeah. Yeah, the game's kind of fun. So yeah, mini games. Got that for my 9th birthday. And that was all the stuff I had to show you in my first video. Oh, I might be uploading a couple times a week. I'll be uploading twice a week. Uploading every Sunday. I'll be uploading one video every Sunday and Monday. I'll be uploading a new video every day. So, use him to freedom.